talking about leaving. Milk carton, black and white face. Smile vacant for the picture. Parents waiting in the driveway. Oh my darling Arizona, why you packing up your suitcase? Hasn't anybody told you?
And then scary for accusing me of like the guy who buys something shiny toy and never uses it. That's my observation of shit.
We're going to Starbucks. Yeah. Yeah. Harmonies.
Just one thing I need.
Oh oh no! I thought my phone fell and it didn't. Anyway, Liz wanted to show her mask.
Look at my mask, you guys. Old Navy has amazing masks.
So look at my fucking hair. So festive. So festive. And gorgeous. What did you get, Liz?
I got a grande vanilla cold brew, 2 pumps of vanilla, light sweet cream, please.
I love how you still have your mask on. And I got a cold brew with 2 pumps of vanilla and almond milk. Man, it's raining. What the heck? Another dreary day for
Yeah,
the
we haven't seen sun in like a hot minute.
Do you know? I can't wait to, anyway, guys, I'm gonna put Liz and I's Christmas playlist in the description, and please vote on whose is better. I didn't even tell Liz I was doing this.
Damn, she always has to make it a competition. It's not a competition, we're just having fun with some holiday spirit.
I know, it's gonna be funny because we have the exact same songs.
Oh. LOL!
Strictly Glee.
Can I say something controversial that
Yeah.
Kelly said once?
No!
Yeah, I'm gonna say
No,
it.
I know what you're gonna say.
Yeah, Kelly once said, I just want everyone to hear this. Glee makes every song better.
Guys, I was in high school, okay?
That's even more embarrassing.
I forever had the taste
think
of
Glee makes everything. Why does Glee just make every song better?
Stop. I literally
And
can't.
I was like,
and then Liz literally tweeted it.
yeah, I did.
The funniest though is that now everyone hates Glee. Do you hate Glee?
Yeah, because it's corny.
Yeah, I mean it is corny, but also like we were theater kids, kind of.
We were theater kids without being a theater kid.
I was a theater kid without being good at theater.
Without being in theater or ever having done theater.
Without ever having a role.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, thanks for coming on our little morning adventure. Say bye, Liz.
Bye, Liz.
Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. Today is December 2nd, and I didn't really vlog at all yesterday because my day was so freaking boring. But I was like, you know what? I just gotta do it. I just gotta vlog, show you guys my day. It's pretty early in the morning right now, and I haven't even eaten breakfast, but I'm gonna work out and then work. On my agenda today, I need to work out. I want to show you guys some Christmas presents that I'm getting for people, and then work, and that's about it. I also need to clean my room because it's very, very messy right now, if you can tell. Oh. So yeah, it'll probably be a cleaning montage somewhere in there, but for now, I'm gonna go work out, and I'll check with, why do I always do this? Check in with you guys later. Okay.
Kama Sutra, does it suit you? Your velvet dress is slipping off. would you stay with me? It's coming through you, never knew how much it meant when you spoke to me. But everyone needs something. I know that I'm no different. Swore picket fences, meet your parents.
Yoga pant check. I'm actually really happy that these came back in style because they are so freaking comfortable, and like I feel like they just add a little pizzazz to your outfits, you know? Like technically I'm wearing leggings, but they're flared leggings, so they're cooler than regular leggings. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my little outfit of the day for work. Nothing too exciting. Just this top from Princess Polly and then these yoga pants from Lululemon. So yeah, that's really the only exciting thing that I have going on today other than working. I'm just chilling. So yeah, just wanted to check in with you guys really quick. And now I'm gonna go back to work. Okay, cheers.
Not bad. In Malibu.
It's a little later in the day and I just wanted to give you guys a little December book club update. Okay, so I have been going back and forth for probably a few weeks now on like what book I wanted to pick as the December book club book, and last month I did a poll which like was really fun because you guys ultimately got to decide which book was our book club book. This month time just flew by and it just really escaped through my fingertips and I didn't have time to do that, so I was like crap, I have to pick myself. So I was gonna pick The Last Mrs. Parrish, but then I was like looking at the reviews and like people were saying that it was like a little dark because it had to do with like abuse and stuff. So I was like, you know what? Definitely not the month to recommend a book like that. So I had already started reading 3 Wishes by Leanne Moriarty and I was like, you know what? This is like the perfect December book club book because it's like light, it's fun, it's juicy, family drama. Like it's like a relatable, funny type of book too. Basically, it's about 3 triplets. Well, okay. It's about triplets who just turned 33 or something like that. But all of them are in like really different like areas of their life. I feel like Like they're just all going through extremely different things. I feel like Leanne Moriarty knows how to like tie in all three of the storylines like very well, but also like they each have their own like very distinct personalities, and all the stuff that they're going through is like very juicy, you know, drama, keeps you on the edge of your seat. I found like this book was the type of book that I was like excited to pick up like when I was about to go to bed, you know, like I had my little like reading hour before I go to bed, and this one, I was like, this is gonna make the perfect like discussion book club book too, because also there's questions at the end. And I was like, bitch, I love when books have questions at the end, because that means that it'll be easier for us to discuss, because they're literally questions made by the author, I think. I think they're made by the author. I don't know why they wouldn't be. So yeah, sorry I took so long to announce what the book is called, but we won't even start discussing it until like next week. So you guys have plenty of time to pick up the book. If you want to join me, I'll still be talking about it in our little discussion, even if it's just me talking to the void. So yeah, I'd really love if you guys join. So it feels like I'm not just talking to myself, which I am used to because I'm literally in my room talking to a camera right now. Anyway, but yeah, I think you guys will really enjoy this book, and honestly, I've said this before and I will say it again. Leanne Moriarty is like the Taylor Swift of authors, because anything she writes is gold. So yeah, you can quote me on that. Anyway, I gotta get back to work, but yeah, definitely join the book club if you are interested in reading this with us. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Okay guys, I'm done work and I'm done my therapy for today. So accomplishments. Anyway, Liz and I are treating ourselves, and we're gonna get Chick-fil-A for dinner, and I have to drive, which sucks. Anyway, oh my god, I almost forgot my phone. LOL. LOL. I was gonna make cauliflower pizza tonight and like be healthy and shit, but then Liz was like, do you want to go to Chick-fil-A? And I was like, yeah, I do. So that's what we're doing. Do you guys think I should change it up today, or do you guys think I should get my usual? I think I might get my usual, so I don't know though. We'll see. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, therapy was nice today. I wasn't able to see her for like 2 weeks because of Thanksgiving and stuff, so, but yeah, love my therapist. Anyway, so let's go bother Liz. Yes. Oh, here we go. To Chick-fil-A. Woo! It's chilly, you guys. It's cold as hell. Guys, also I tried this La Colombe peppermint mocha. Pretty good. Pretty good. Couldn't finish it though because I had it at like 4 p.m. and like I just can't have caffeine like past like 5 or past like I'd say like 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock's like, actually when I was in college, back in the day, you know, back in the day when I was in college, hate myself. Anyway, but I literally could drink caffeine all day, every day. And now I'm like, caffeine past 2, can't do it. No thanks. Guys, I don't know what to get. I don't know what to get. Yes, it's here. Okay. There's literal bird shit on my window. Off we go. Liz. Always a gorgeous view at the Chick-fil-A line.
The view
and that's what Liz! I was talking about Liz. Did you think I was talking about the trees? No, bitch, I was talking about you.
Why would they think you were talking about the dead trees?
Cause look at the fucking sun. Okay, hold on. Alrighty, we finished our Chick-fil-A and now I'm in bed. It's like 8 p.m. right now. Got my Christmas jammies on. And I think I'm gonna start reading this book, the little book club book. So yeah, Thank you so much for watching this vlog and being a part of my little Vlogmas crew. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys so much.